Ni mugukorwo mukiona athaki ero thiini wa timu ya bururi ya Shujaa. Ni mĩario ya kocha mwero wa timu ino Paul Murunga uria wete muro kuma gwe coach Innocent Simiu. Akiuga omwe maundu maria egũkorwo agĩkĩrĩra mũno nĩ gũthondeka timu ina mbeũ njĩthĩ ya ũndũ ũmwe na athaki arĩa mena experience kana ũmenyeru wa kahinda karaya.
Our target is very simple, to make sure that we have a youthful team that is balanced with of course the juniors, with the seniors, and make sure that we are able to get into playoffs, which means quarters.
Kocha Murunga ndiakorirwo akinyitanĩra na coach Simiu gũthondeka timu ya Shujaa kuria arakuruhanirie athaki atano ero ethĩ timu-inĩ ĩrĩa ĩratungatire thĩinĩ wa hĩtahĩtano cia African Sevens na kũgũthwo nĩ Zibambwe ikereka-inĩ rĩa final na pointi 17-5. Athaki aya nĩ hamwe na Eliam Kichoi, Derek Kioga, Daniel Tayabu, Benjamin Marshall na Bramwell Munyasi.
If you look at it in context, it was average because our boys were a bit better than most of the teams. I also believed we were a bit better than Zimbabwe. We were quite unlucky in the final that we didn't execute, and they came out to play, and they played some very good rugby in the final. So for us, it's just a good learning lesson for the young boys on how to just close games early.
Great experience in Tunisia. Yeah, despite the loss in the finals, but we've really picked some positives since most of the guys were new in the squad. It was a really good experience for the upcoming guys.
Leo Shujaa mekwambika meharĩria ma Safari Sevens iria itanyĩtwo gũtabanĩrio kĩharo-inĩ kĩa RFUA gũkũ mũciĩ wa Nairobi mweri tũkĩte. Handũ-inĩ ha metha ya mathako ya Kameme TV rĩakwo nĩ Ng'ang'a wa Nyokabi.